Cruise by Mandy. Let's take a peek at the Norwegian Encore. Revisiting the ship. I have not been on board since just after the pandemic. This is a standard balcony room. It's not an extended balcony like you have seen in my Bliss videos. Standard, we do have the two hooks right here. I always have to hang up my room key. Well, my room key somewhere. Probably already lost it. And, oh yeah, I know it's in my light switch. Always hang something else up here that I keep with me as a day pack. And I mentioned the room key right here. It is used for the lights. You have the makeup room and do not disturb. They do service your room once a day now on Norwegian. It has changed from twice a day on several cruise lines to once a day. And depending on your status with the cruise line, you may come in and have some extra things such as maybe some waters, your latitudes, coupons, chocolates. You could have wine, champagne, just really depends on what's going on. I happen to be part of a conference, so the conference is some hats and our crystal conference there. Chocolates, ooh, yeah, it looks good. And then we have some of these for our conference. Everybody loves John. So standard would be your freestyle daily. If you have booked anything such as villas and cabanas, yeah, I have no idea what that is. I'll figure that out later. Welcome back latitudes members, things like that. So let's see, your standard storage, trash can, chair, hair dryer. And this is great because you do have some room in here to store things if you need to keep them cool. Remember, this is more of a cooling box instead of a medical grade refrigerator. I've always enjoyed this storage here. And you've seen on my other videos, and that one's pretty deep there. Remote control, some of your standard stuff. I just threw my medicines in here so I could have them handy. The bedding can be split into two twin beds if needed. And if it's a triple or a quad, you can have this bed made out, and there would be another one popped down from the ceiling, as you've seen in my Norwegian Bliss playlist. The sliding closet here. On this side, you do have the different shelving, which is great for some of your carry-on stuff. Your safe. You can hold my purse. It won't hold my laptop, but you do have some spacing down there. Your carry-on size roller bag or larger will fit. Hang up your clothing. And again, you got plenty of space in here. Speaking of storage and space, let's just take a quick peek here. You do have the thermostat control, more hooks inside the bathrooms. Glass here versus the shower curtain that can sometimes get annoying. You do have some storage down here as well. And then last, as always, we got that full-length mirror. Heading over here, just a very quick looking outside. Oh, by the way, you do have the nightstands with storage below and the USB ports right here by bed with two switches, movable, that, and the curtains. And safety, the door lock is way up high. I am 5'5", and that's definitely above my head. And then this right here. Sounds like they're doing drills. And there you have it, your seating and your table. So Norwegian Cruise Line, on board Norwegian Encore, Cruise by Mandy, signing off.